Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have IPSY versus IPSY, Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. Do you want to see what is inside of my September bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so both of my bags just arrived on the same day, which normally never happens because these are two completely different profiles. One of them is set to my standard profile that I have my plus and soon to be ultimate on. And then one is just a completely different profile that's set to anything and everything, because if it's not something that I'm into, I hold on to it with that extra bag and save it for future giveaways for you guys. So IPSY is now changing their price. It used to be $10 a month with free shipping, and now it is $12 a month. And there's still going to be 5 beauty products of sample to deluxe samples and sometimes full size if you get like an eyeliner or a nail polish or something like that. And you get the bag with free shipping. So this is now $12 per month, and they're actually going to now start letting you choose a product if you have the plus or now the new ultimate, which I'm so excited to do. I hear some of you guys have already been able to select your product for 1 to up to 3 months that I've heard one person say they've been doing it for 3 months, which that's amazing. I haven't been able to choose any of my products yet, but let's go ahead and get on in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my normal profile first. So let's see how well they do based on my profile. Let's get in here. Alrighty. Ooh, the bag looks so pretty from what I saw. Okay, so nothing else. And this is the bag. That is so pretty. I like that. And there's like a little, obviously I'm sure it's probably not a real crystal, but looks like it would be a crystal on the pull zipper. That is so cute. Then it says IPSY right there in gold, but that is so cute. Now I know what somebody was said yesterday on my IPSY Plus. They said they were missing their stone or something on their zipper. And I was like, what's missing on your zipper? Now I understand. That sucks. Hopefully they send her a new one, because this is a really cute bag. I like that, especially with the little wannabe crystal on top, because if you guys know, I love my crystals and I get crystal boxes. So let's go ahead and see what we have. I'll pull the card out. Find Your Light is September's theme. And oh, you're gonna be able to choose one of your products for the glam bag as well, because it says your glam bag just got better. Starting with October's glam bag, enjoy these new features. Choose a product every month. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products. Then we'll build the rest of your bag to complete your choices. Save the date. Pick up to 5 add-ons and get $50 plus of value in every glam bag. That's awesome. So you're gonna be able to choose one of the products in all levels of the IPSYs. That's cool, I like that. So my first product that was outside of the bag is this It's Cosmetics Confident in a Cleanser. Ooh, I wanna try that. And this says that it was developed by doctors. This cleanser serum hybrid is great for all skin types, including hipsters with sensitive skin. Tip, morning and evening, gently massage a quarter-size amount of the cleanser all over wet skin for 30 seconds. Rinse off and pat dry. So that is really neat. Let's see what actual size of it we got. Oop, there we go. So not bad. Sometimes we get very, very tiny sizes. So that is actually a good size. That is definitely enough for you to be able to get several different usages and see if you like it. And if you do, then you could probably buy the full size. So I like that. I can't wait to try that. Let's see, does it smell? Oh, there's a safety seal. Let me remove that. I don't really smell anything, so that's good. At least it doesn't smell bad. I'd rather it not have a scent or smell good versus smelling bad. But it doesn't really smell, I don't really smell anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what else is in here. There's a Murad Hydro Ultimate Moisture. There's that. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extracts, and avocado oil. I wasn't expecting it to be that little with this big old box. But alrighty. There's that guy. Where was I? And avocado oils to instantly moisture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin's texture. So there's just the little liquid in there, and there's no scent to this one either. And Murad's a really good brand, so I'm glad to be able to try that. So we have that. So far we have IT Cosmetics, we have Murad. Oh my goodness, this is a good bag. So far, Ofra, and this is the new packaging. So this is not like their older stock that they're trying to get rid of. This is like their new packaging that they went to. That is so cool. Let's see here. This guy is the limited edition collab. This pink gloss has a hint of purple, shines your lips without feeling sticky. Because that's what I was thinking at first. I'm like, wait, pink? Because I see like a little lavenderish color tones in there. So there's a hint of purple. Definitely there's a hint of purple. So there's that. And it's just a gloss. So my goodness, you guys. I have Ofra, IT Cosmetics, Murad. Let's see what else I have in there. So a little bit of shine with a hint of color. So I do like that. So there's that guy, and two more items in here, you guys. This one is Unicorn Glow Longwear Primer. And it says LOCK color Unicorn Glow Longwear Primer. With artful packaging and smart, affordable formulas, this fun-loving brand makes it easy to feel and look like your best self. All right, so this cute packaging, there's a safety seal. Let me remove that. And I normally don't use any type of a primer, but I would like to start trying to use a few of them. So that's what it looks like before. And I always have to smell everything. I mean, it feels nice. And at least it doesn't like go in any of my wrinkles or anything. So that seems like that would be a good one. It just blended in there seamlessly. So I'm actually excited to try that. Then the last item is wrapped in here. This is the Body Corp. And I don't really do a whole lot with single shadow, so I'm gonna hang on to this and put this in a future giveaway. But there's the packaging. I like how it's all iridescent. And the color, I can't really tell because it's right over where it says the not for retail or resale. And I don't want to open it. Maybe it says Halo. It looks like a really pretty color though. It is, it's in Halo. The Beauty Corp eyeshadow in Halo. The folks behind the Beauty Corp create simple, effective, high-performing products inspired by healthy living, utilizing plant-based ingredients and natural oils in everything that they make. This metallic lilac shadow is buttery smooth, rich pigmented, and perfect for all, or for fall. For all too. So I don't know if you can see the color kind of in there, but I will go ahead and put this for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. So I'll stick it back in the bubble wrap, keep it nice and secure. So that is everything that is my profile. I'm loving my bag. Not only the bag itself is got to be all next to the teal one that I got a few months ago that I said was my favorite. I got with that little crystal thing on there. I'm thinking this is almost my favorite bag now. And IT Cosmetics, Murad, Ofra, $10 is what I paid. Now it's only $12, so it's only $2 more. This one I have the Murad. So you know what that means. Any dupes, go to you guys. So in this one, here's one item right here that's already gonna go set aside for a future giveaway. I don't need to open it because we already know now what this thing looks like in there. Same bag, so this bag will go to one of you guys as well. And it's actually different. It's a little different. I guess it just depends on what part of the fabric that they used, but you can tell like this one goes kind of, I don't know, that looks a little, yeah, you can tell right here, watch. This has this one doesn't, that has this. So it just, they're probably like one consecutive thing that they made them from. So they're not going to be all 100% the same, which I kind of actually like that. So let's go ahead and get this one open. This one does have the crystal on top, so this will go save to one of you guys. Same, find your light. And, ooh, Ofra in here again, but it's a different color. Smashbox, you guys. What? Okay, so we get to try Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. What shade? 1.05, and it looks like there was tons of different colors. This one that they sent me was 1.05, and I don't know if I have my profile on this one to say fair or light, but let's see here. I'm very excited to try it. So there's a little drop will do ya. Let's see. This actually might do well on my face. Look at that. That matches really good. Okay, I'm excited to try that. Even though I don't wear foundations, I will try it. Of course, I have to smell everything. I will try it. Now we have Mush A Boom Pressed Eyeshadow. This guy, oh, Mush A Boom is the color. Want no fuss makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered and versatile on-trend products like this silky smooth cool gray eyeshadow. Mush A Boom goes on sheer and can be built up easily for a dramatic smoky eye. There's that. Very pretty. I'm not going to, there's actually even a little mirror. I've never really seen a little mirror on a single shadow like that. That's really cool. I'm going to save this because, again, I don't really grab for single shadows. So I'd rather this go to somebody who would enjoy it. And it's a very pretty color. And it says it can be built up for more of a smokier look. So there's item number 2. So next we have is waterproof liquid eyeliner. And this I'm going to go ahead and set aside just because I just got a black one from my Hank and Henry. And I already have a lot of them, so I'd rather this go to one of you guys. This is completely sealed on the inside as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside. What color is this in? Probably black. But there's the packaging again. So this I will set aside with this and the Murad with the bag. So there's a few items to go to my next giveaway. And here is my Ofra product. And this is in color Oh My Ray Ray or Rai Rai, R-Y-R-Y. I don't know if you would say Rai Rai or Ray Ray. Let's get this pink shimmer off so we can get this one on. And this is an actual liquid lipstick. Ooh, that is so pretty. There's that one. It's very like a neutral color on my lips. I really like that. These things are so small. I actually really like that. And it's drying down very well. I think that looks really, really nice. I'm waiting for it to dry down because I don't want it to get on my teeth. So far, so good. So that is everything that came in my second bag. So my anything and everything profile was this that I think is better than the other one just because I really like that color, and this is a liquid lipstick where the other one was a lip gloss, which I like them both, but I can see myself wearing this one more because of the natural color. I like that, I really do. So this one I'm definitely keeping. I'm really excited to try a Smashbox foundation. The liquid liner, the single shadow, and the Murad with the bag will be put into a future giveaway for one of you guys. So that's everything in this bag. And then my other bag, again, the bag, the Murad, the single shadow, that will go to one of you guys. I have a face primer that I can use, and I have an IT Cosmetics cleanser to try out, which is a good size, and the Ofra lip gloss. So I'm loving both of my bags this time. What do you guys think? Did you get any of the same items? Are we bag twins on any of these? Comment down below. Let me know if you got the same items or what you got that might have been different than mine. I really enjoy my IPSY. I tell you guys all the time, I love my IPSY bags. So stay tuned for next month because I'm going to be debuting for the first time their ultimate, and I'm going to do all three because I kept my plus and I still have my bags, and I'm going to now do the ultimate for a little while to show you guys what the difference would be between all three of their subscriptions. And I'm so excited. So excited. I cannot wait. And just so you guys know, I've had a lot of you guys reach out and ask me about this hair. Now, I did cut it a little bit. What you guys might not have known is several months back, I did get a long A-line. So the back was really short and the front went to a longer A-line. That's what you guys could see because you don't see the back of my head. So my hair has been really short in the back, and it finally grew out enough to where I was comfortable enough to cut it all one length again. I'm trying to get my hair back healthier. About 2 years ago, my hair went through some really bad experiences at this hair salon, and they damaged my hair. Like 50% of my hair was gone. When I was done, it was like a huge from before and after. I mean, I'll even drop in a picture right now if you want to see. But they damaged my hair from the first picture, how I looked before I went in, from the last picture when they were completely done. I was trying to go for a silver ombre. That is not what I got. I left darker than it was. So for the last 2 years, I've been trying anything and everything to get my hair to be healthy again. It's just not getting fuller like it was, but nothing I can do about it. But anyway, I went and had it finally cut to one length. And while I was there, I asked the lady if she could do something to make my hair a little bit lighter, but without going with the bleach, because I showed her all the pictures and what my hair went through the whole entire time of everything that they did. And she was like, I don't want to put bleach on your hair. Like, it scared her. So, because with the bleach in my hair, when it was kind of wet, you could take my hair and literally go like this and it would rip off like elastic. Like, it would just pull right off like it was elastic. So she said she could do a lifter, which would kind of like lift the dye kind of off and bring out the under color. I'm not quite sure how that works, but she put on a color lifter, which made it a little bit lighter. So some of you guys are like, is it your lighting? Is it your hair? What's going on? So yes, I did have a color lifter put on my hair, so it's a little bit lighter, and I did have it cut a little bit in the front to now match the back that has grown out finally. So thank you guys so much for your positive feedback that have noticed it, but I wanted to at least let you guys know so now I can tell you guys, everybody who was asking questions and was wondering what all happened, that's what happened. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.